I've got a strange connection issue or charging issue with a brand new Pocket 3. So I've tried it with different power adapters, I've tried it with different cables, it's the same issue. So plug it in. Just like that. Turns on and off, on and off, on and off. Same issue if I try it through the battery. Fast charging, charging, on, off, on, off, on, off. Same if I, to show that it's not a problem with the cable, here's just another device. Leave that guy charging. I can try a different cable. This is the one that came with the unit. Charging, fast charging, disconnect. Charging, disconnect. Fast charging, disconnect. If I plug it into the laptop, it's the same issue. It's the same issue. Cable into laptop. You'll see it on the desktop here. Maybe it's just through the direct connection. Do I want to connect? And then it vanishes. Then I'll try again in a moment. Come on. I'll try again in a moment. Allow to connect, disconnect. So yeah, don't know. It's brand new, I haven't used it yet.